Hey guys, welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I made this maxi skirt without any sewing patterns. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. For this project, you will need at least 2 yards of fabric, and if you are taller, you might need more. So now I simply fold the fabric like so, and I'm going to be using my maxi skirt as my pattern. So this is going to be a super easy project. You will not need any sewing pattern. So this skirt will only have 2 seams, hemline, and a waistband. It doesn't even need an elastic, so this is going to be perfect for beginner. You just have to make sure that the fabric you are using is going to be a stretchy material that will allow the waistline or waistband to stretch. As you can see here, I am using pins to mark the fabric, but you can use a pencil or any marker actually that will wash off. I will add about 1/4 of an inch seam allowances on all sides just because I will be using my serger. But if you are using your regular sewing machine, add at least 1/2 inch seam allowances on all sides. I will use this panel as my template to cut out the back panel of the skirt. And now it's time to join the side seams of the skirt. So I tried on the skirt and I had to take it in on the sides by at least 2 inches. So that's why it's important to try on your garment before you add the waistband. So for the waistband, it is 4 inches wide. It is 24 inches long. It is an inch shorter than my actual waistline. The reason behind it is the fabric is very stretchy. So you will need extra allowances. That's why it is very important to test out how stretchy the fabric is. It will depend on the type of fabric you will use. I would say that this fabric has a 50% stretch. Now it's time to serge the end of the waistband. After that, I am going to quarter the waistline of the skirt and the waistband, so it will be much easier to attach it together later on. So the skirt waistline is going to be a little bigger than the waistband. That is totally fine because we are going to stretch the waistband as we sew. And now I am going to serge it. If you are curious what the settings on my serger is 444. The differential is on 0.7, 2, and 5. Don't forget to stretch the waistband as you sew. And make sure to check that you are sewing 3 layers of fabrics. If you are using your regular sewing machine, you can do a narrow zigzag stitch, or you can also use the stretch stitch. So when you put on the skirt, the threads will not break. Now all I have to do is finish the hemlines and the skirt is done. So that's it you guys, and I hope you like this simple sewing tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new tutorial every week. Hit the notification bell down there so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye!